Welcome to the Airless Discounter video series. My name is Darren, and in today's video we're going to be looking at the filters you use for the Graco Airless spray guns. So first up, why do you want to use your filter? Well, the filter is used to prevent excess waste and particles from entering the nozzle and out onto the spray pattern. We've got two main filters to look at, and they correspond to the certain type of gun that you're using and the material you're using. Here with me I've got the contractor gun, and you can find the filter for this gun in the handle. For this gun we use the 100 mesh blue and the 60 mesh black filters. For the SG range in the Graco series, we have the orange 100 mesh and the blue 50 mesh filters. You also find the filter in the handle. The SG3 gun comes standard with the GX21 models and the Magnum model range. So, how do we change or replace the handle in the filter? So we start off by removing the knuckle guard at the front of the handle, and it just pops off like so. And then you just simply unscrew the handle at the bottom. And it comes off, and there we have the filter out the gun. You must just make sure that some of the filters will have a little spring inside of the handle, so make sure you don't lose that when you're replacing the filters. To put in the new filter, you just pop it in and make sure it's flush, and back it goes. You complete it by just popping the knuckle guard back at the handle, and you're ready to go. If you have any more questions regarding our products, or you would like to order any of the filters that we have on our online shop, take a look at the links below. And if you have any more questions regarding the gun or the filters, just give us a call or leave us a message. Thank you so much for watching the video. Have a great day spraying.